I seriously didn't know what to expect today, but seeing him out there made me one seriously, seriously proud dad. Whoa!
Good.
Trying to get a motocross bike in a Ford Fiesta. What's on, everyone? Today's a little bit different from the usual BMW and the RX-8 build. Today is my youngest son's very first motocross track day. He's riding his Oset 20 and honestly, I'm probably more nervous than he is. Now seriously, this is like trying to get a square peg in a circular hole.
Diagonal, remember?
I have to get my There you go. How do you feel about your first race day?
Nervous.
Let's go! Now for a lot of these kids, they've done it all before, but for my little Alf, this was his first time. And he looked really nervous, but he still suited up and got on with it. Say hello to YouTube. How are you feeling now you're at the track?
Nervous.
Nervous?
And excited.
And excited?
So I just did my first wheelie though.
Just did your first wheelie? Did you?
I didn't want to do one.
You're going to send it?
Yeah.
Well, against these boys. So with the bikes prepped, with us all signed in on the registration, he's off for his first lap. So he's away. I'm a little bit nervous if I'm honest, but yeah, he's alright, he'll be fine. He's had a few crashes before on it, so just a little bit nervous. Let's see how he goes, shall we? Now, as I previously mentioned, he's had two really bad crashes on this bike. One of them ended up with a broken ankle and the other one ended up with a neck brace. So I was really nervous about how he's going to react to being out on his bike again today. But that was soon put to bed. How's that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Doing some jumps, boy?
Yeah. Sweaty mess.
Sweaty mess. Was you nervous?
Yes.
Just talk to me.
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favourite part of the track?
The jumps.
The big jumps?
Yeah.
I've seen you do that really big one down the bottom corner.
Yeah, I did not like that.
Why? That was your best one, that was massive.
I got winded.
Let's have a look at your nose. You got mud all over your nose.
Look.
Mate, no, mud. Mate, off it goes, doesn't it? Here we go then, lap 2. Give him a little pep talk. Just a little bit more, go a little bit higher, go a little bit harder. Let's see how he gets on. Come on now. Yes, boy. Yes, Al! Yes! Yes! He actually did it! He's actually done a jump on it! Oh, that's awesome! His confidence is coming back. Oh, this is rad. Look at all these kids going around. This is actually awesome. Oh, I can't explain to you how I'm feeling, it's mental. Look at all these kids. Go on, Al, catch him up. Go on, get into him, get into him, get into him. Yes, boys. Inside, inside, inside. Second lap reflection, Alf. How you feeling?
Really well, and that orange guy did the same thing again.
Did he? What, he cut you off?
Yeah.
Mate, you had him at one point though. You had him, and then what happened is you didn't do that jump. You didn't air through it. Well, I don't know what I'm talking about. I know about cars, not bikes. I ain't got a clue. Lion, flying boy. How you finding it, Logie? Here we go then, lap number 3. So they do this 2 hours, every 15 minutes they go out, and they have 15-minute rest and go out again. So, he's told me he's going to fully send it this time. Fully send it. He's fully sending it anyway, bless him. Like, his first proper time on a track, he's absolutely killing it. I'm so proud of him. Let's see what he's got for lap number 3. Let's see where he is on this bend. Hopefully he's come through. Oh, he's right on his tail again. This is awesome. This is so good. Literally, like, the boy that's in front has been pushing Alf all day. And Alfie, like, it's just been pushing him the whole time he's been there. And his dad's come over to him. He said, probably the best day that his son's ever had, because my son's pushed him so hard. Alf pushed him that hard that the other boys really, really excelled. And his dad's come over and he shook hands with me and had a good chat with me about it. And, you know, I've heard lots of stuff about motocross, about how quick it all is, but I think for me on this experience, I can't speak like that. It's just, I haven't stopped smiling, you know, my boy hasn't stopped smiling. And to have that boy's dad come over and say that about my son, about how well he's pushing his son to be better, speaks volumes for Alf's character. Just, yeah, what an experience this is. So many kids here flying around, so let's get back into the action.
High five from my man.
That's class.
You are so good, mate. You just
Flying.
You see how dusty you are?
Logie! Logs, flying dude.
Yeah, my brother. Chin up.
Well,
Good.
look at the state of your chops. Loving it. How was your first day? How was your first experience of motocrossing, proper motocrossing?
Loved it.
Loved it? Anything that made you nervous?
No.
Nothing made you nervous?
No.
What's your favourite bit? The whole track, what's your favourite bits?
Jumps.
Jumps. Look how dusty you are. What do you say to everyone?
Thank you for watching and subscribe.
Yeah.